Afternoon guys, and welcome to Arboleas on this gloriously warm April afternoon, 26 degrees today, and I've come up to take a walk around for you of the drop dead gorgeous, absolutely stunning Villa Lupin. Now you may remember a villa called Terrace. This is just up the road, and Terrace went live and then sold within the first week. Same builder, more or less the same design, quality. This is an impressive property. Enjoy. So it's 167 meters of build size over 2 levels, 700 meters garden, fully walled, electric gate access. Quality is the key. Views are to die for, and it's a lovely south facing property. As you can see, pristine 8x4 meter pool. Similar to Villa Torres Alta, the garden's been beautifully sectioned. This gorgeous barbecue area, lots of artificially grassed areas. This gorgeous covered porch which runs off of both the kitchen and the living room. The master suite up there you can see with a great big roof terrace. Front door access over here. Now a privacy wall's been put along which divides the parking area from the garden. Established shrubs, you know, beautiful palms, yuccas. There's an irrigation system in place that you might be able to see. Wonderful flagstone terrace that runs around the swimming pool and continues into the parking area. Little pan around from this side, so front and back the views are just absolutely stunning, and because it's south facing, this front garden area just absolutely bathed in sunshine. No neighbours behind you or to the right, just overlooking a wonderful olive grove, and just look at that stunning backdrop. I've just popped into this glorious covered porch, which as I said runs off the living room and the kitchen, and I'll do an entire walk round of the gardens for you. But before I continue on, barbecue area there, just look at that absolutely gorgeous backdrop. That bougainvillea is striking, isn't it? What a lovely table to come out and enjoy the summer evenings. And this runs double door access straight off to the kitchen. You can just see the quality of finish as well on the outside. Well, this runs on into the interior. Love this gorgeous retaining wall. So just this little bench sitting here, absolutely beautiful. And this runs along the entire back of the property. I mean, this is a utility corridor as such, but gosh, I wish mine looked like this. Loving these roses. It's been freshly painted. And these are 2 block built storage sheds at the back of the carport area, back of the car parking area, sorry. And there's a lovely rustle coming from the palms. It's just beautiful, so it might be kind of downing the soundtrack a little bit, but I'll carry on and play it back when we get back. So 2 block built good sized storage sheds. You've got a backup water deposit in there, and there's a drinking water system inside, which you'll see when we're in on the interior. And just to look at the back of the villa from this angle, and then the terracing and artificial grass runs all the way round. The exterior walling again in excellent condition. That's electric gate double access, and that rolls into this beautiful sandblock parking area. Loving the 3 Buddhas at the end of this. And as I said, a lovely privacy wall then divides that from the main front garden and the pool area. Just birdsong and the rustles of the palms. Let's go and take a look on the inside. I can't help it though, before we do, I've just got to have one more pan around here. Well, this beats sitting in the office, I must admit. This could be you. So I've entered the villa via the front door there in front of me, and if the outside was beautiful and immaculate, then equally the interior is striking. To a very high quality. This laminate wood flooring runs throughout the entire property. I'll point out in a minute. I mean, it's fully air conditioned, ceiling fans as well in all the rooms. So hallway opens out into this beautiful lounge dining area, wall mounted wood burner there. Now all around the property you've got these infrared ceramic wall heaters, and they're absolutely gorgeous, and they're in all the bedrooms as well. I'll point one out as we go around. But isn't this absolutely beautiful? And then coming back towards the entrance door, as you come in, the first thing that hits you is this absolutely gorgeous stairwell that takes you up to the master suite. Vaulted ceilings in here, and that dead centre is one of these ceramic wall heaters. Absolutely gorgeous. Now lots of the furniture shown can be included, but that's subject to separate negotiation. A little pan around from the other end. I mean, the lounge is bay fronted at this end, and this is a door going out to that covered porch. And just check out the views from each of these windows, and it opens into a glorious, very stylish and contemporary interior. You can see a lovely little understair nook there that's been kind of utilised to provide a bar area, and I've seen that utilised as an office bureau before. What's not to like? Now you can see arched access there to the right of the entrance hallway, and that takes you into two double bedrooms on this floor. Both the bathrooms, there's one down here, they've been newly refurbished. And then to the right of the entrance hall, or to the left as you come in, is the kitchen and big utility room. Let's go and have a look at that first. So kind of trying to do this as if you were walking around the villa. So coming into the kitchen, and then immediately on your right, you've got a full-size, very useful utility room. You can see their electric boiler. You've got a sink out here, washing machine and tumble dryer, etc., all plumbed in. And then on into the main kitchen. Here's another one of these heaters. So yeah, they've got them out here as well. Double door access straight out to the covered porch, which you saw from the other side. Just an absolutely beautiful kitchen. I'll show you the view from the kitchen window. Drinking water system tap, you see there, granite worktops. Got a bank of spotlights above me as well. And then there is a dishwasher, but when you've got one of those there, you might want to do the washing up when you've got a... Hang on, love, I'm just doing the washing up. Taking in that stunning view. Now let's go and take a look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms on this floor. As I said, both bathrooms absolutely gorgeous, newly refurbished. So wonderful double shower in here. WC. Great vanity unit. And then the main guest bedroom on this floor. So that's my lovely new trainers squeaking away in the background. Apologies for that, but all bedrooms have got rolling fitted wardrobes. I'll show you this one in a second. There we go, double fronted. Very, very high quality. As I mentioned earlier, all rooms have got ceiling fans, air conditioning, plus they've all got these ceramic infrared wall heaters. So hot and cold, all options covered. Just absolutely bowled over by the quality and presentation of this, and there's some stunning villas coming onto the market, and this is one of them certainly. Happy to put this in our prestige range. So I had a little bit of a camera wobble there, but back on board. And let's wander on up to the master suite. So gorgeous stairs leading up to that. And I hope the video's allowing you to look at it from every angle like I am. So through this wonderful doors, I love the interior woodwork in these properties as well, absolutely gorgeous. Door there on the left takes you into the very good size ensuite, full bath in this one with an overhead shower. And similar to the lounge down below, you've got a stunning triple aspect bay window in here. There's the fitted wardrobes. And the view is absolutely staggering from each of the windows. And then a very good sized private solarium balcony just off to the left here. Absolutely gorgeous, and you can see very generous size, ample room for a gorgeous patio set out here. And just check out those. This is what makes this location so special. You're 6 minutes drive from Arboleas Centre. You can walk easily to two popular bar eateries, the nearest one being the famous Catty's Bar. And 6 minutes drive from Arboleas Centre itself. So that's Villa Luna for you. Full details will appear in the link below. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing or further information, which we'd highly advise, then give us a call as usual or contact us, khalidahomes@hotmail.com, +34 950 430 763. Be delighted to hear from you. Just one last glimpse out of the bedroom window. Villa Lupin. I might have said Luna. I've been away for a week and I'm a bit tongue-tied today, but it's Villa Lupin.